Hey everybody, this is Dusty Brazil with Pacific Sotheby's International Realty. This is what it's like living in Sea Summit in San Clemente, California. Sea Summit is a brand new seaside community in San Clemente, California. It has an amazing location, built right on a bluff, miles of trails, and coastal access. It's also built right across from the brand new San Clemente Outlet Mall. So you have fine dining, shopping, all at your disposal in walking distance. So Sea Summit offers a fantastic and convenient lifestyle. If you're a buyer or potential seller in Sea Summit or anywhere nearby, check out my new website called livingin.seasummit.com. You can search easily all Sea Summit homes for sale. You can also see my market report. That's a handy little tool. You can study the market on recent sales activity in Sea Summit. You can also watch my videos and feel free to contact me anytime as your San Clemente realtor. I'm Dusty with Pacific Sotheby's. Give me a call anytime at 760-207-7245. I'm going on my 18th year of real estate. I look forward to talking to you soon. Make it a great day.